Welcome to our podcast, where we cover interesting and fascinating stories for you. In this episode, we will discuss UK researchers identify 503 new species previously unknown to science, scarab insects from New Guinea, seaweed from the Falklands, and another type of monkey found on an extinct volcano in Myanmar are among 503 species recently recognized by scientists at the Natural History Museum. In geological finds by Natural History Museum in 2020 include species previously unknown to science, incorporates naming new lichens, wasps, barnacles, smaller than usual tarantulas, and a lungless worm salamander. In a year when the worldwide mass of biodiversity is being exceeded by human-made mass, it seems like a competition to record what we are losing, said Dr. Tim Littlewood, leader overseer of science at the Natural History Museum. 503 newfound species reminds us we speak to a solitary, curious and colossally amazing species with the destiny of numerous others in our grasp. Researchers have named almost 2 million various types of life on Earth. However, there might be undeniably more than the 8.7 million species recently assessed, with DNA barcoding strategies uncovering up to this point unsuspected variety in apparently comparable animals. Improbable spots of destiny have assumed a part in certain revelations. Another parasitic worm, Pseudoacanthocephalus goodmani, was found in the dung of a throaty frog after the land and water proficient was inadvertently flown from its local Mauritius to Cambridge in a vacationer's baggage in any event, enduring a cycle in a clothes washer prior to being spotted. The Historical Centre's assortment of 80 million examples has additionally helped some new disclosures. One new animal types, a lungless worm lizard, Oedipina equatoriana, is known uniquely from a solitary example gathered over 100 years back and kept by the Historical Centre. These creatures of land and water tunnel through rainforest soils and inhale through their skin. Ken Norris, head of life sciences at the Natural History Museum, said the assortments assisted researchers with being sure they were discovering animals that were new to science. These revelations go to show the essential job that regular history assortments around the globe keep on playing in depicting new species and the shrouded variety that is contained inside the assortments, he said. The most staggering disclosure of 2020 was the Popa langur, Trachypithecus popa, another type of monkey that was recently mistaken for another species. It lives on a wiped-out spring of gushing lava in Myanmar and was recognized utilizing skins and bones that have been in the gallery's assortment for more than 100 years. It is now viewed as basically imperiled, with simply 200 to 260 people left in nature. We trust that the naming of the species will help in its preservation, said Roberto Portela Miguez, senior vertebrate guardian at the exhibition hall, who assisted with portraying the new species. It has been a decent year for finding more land and water proficient and reptile species, with the gallery's researchers assisting with distinguishing a peaked reptile from Borneo, 2 new types of frog, and a great 9 new snakes, including Trimeresurus davidi, a lovely lime-green snake. Another kelp species found, Corallina chamberlainiae, a sensitive glancing ocean growth found in crisp South Atlantic waters off the Falkland Islands, and Tristan da Cunha, uncovers an availability between these spots, in spite of the islands being 2,500 miles separated. The most various new revelations were among the request for creepy crawlies, with 170 new species recognized, including a companion of scarab insects from New Guinea, riffle bugs from Brazil, and a minute bog adoring bug from Malawi. The Historical Centre's specialists likewise recognized 70 new wasp species and 3 new honeybees, including Bombus tibeticus, one of the most noteworthy dwelling types of honeybee on the planet, found at 5,640 meters above ocean level on the Tibetan level in Mongolia. There have additionally been 9 new types of moths, 6 new types of centipedes, 9 flatworms, 1 butterfly and 10 bryozoans, little oceanic animals once in a while known as greenery creatures. The exhibition hall's researchers have additionally this year named 122 new fossil species and 10 new minerals, which is critical given that there are just around 6,000 known types of mineral. One of the new minerals, kernowite, is emerald green, thus far found in only one area, down an old mine in Cornwall, that has since been shut and based on. We have many more such compelling episodes for you. Enjoy them. Do share your opinion in the comment box and subscribe to us for more.